Hi, this video is going to be a very quick unboxing, so I hope you stick around and watch and enjoy what I got. So this time it's going to be a very quick video. I picked up a few things and I just wanted to share with you basically. So a little Chanel purchase, and my SA sent me the cutest card. There's a handwritten note inside and it smells, oh my god, that's all the box smelled like, was this card. It smells amazing. I'm gonna have to ask him what that scent is. It is lovely and such a lovely card. And it says, oh, it's a picture of Coco Chanel, but it says Karl Lagerfeld in the bottom where my finger is. I hope you can see it. So that's that. And he's so sweet. What I wanted was not in the store, so he found it for me. And I was unavailable to go pick it up in the store, so he had it shipped to my house, and I really do appreciate that. Let's see. Well, I'm not keeping gift wrap paper or anything like that, so it doesn't matter if I rip it. Chanel. And inside, oh, the receipt, of course. Oh, and let me side note you with the packaging. Oh my god, you know what? Nobody is gonna beat Chanel packaging. Dior is a close second, but Chanel's packaging is on point. Louis Vuitton, if it's my regular SA, she knows I'm picky and it'll be perfect. But sometimes, not so much. If I can tell when it's her or not, easily, because she knows me. Oh, that's just a care card booklet. Oh, and it's wrapped again. See? Nobody touches theirs, you know. And there we go. Another old pouch. Isn't she pretty? I saw it in the store and I was hesitant about it. And you know, when I got in my car, I forgot, it was several months ago. And when I got in my car, I thought about it and thought about it. And I was like, you're going to regret not getting that. And sure enough, now that I wanted it, it wasn't available in store and he had to get it in from another store for me. Just the care card stuff. It always comes with Chanel. Perfect. Zipper's in perfect condition, and the CCs are, the CC on the zip is perfect. Oh good, it's a gold zipper. You know, I was kind of worried that it would be, oh, the plastic is still on the, I'll take that off later, maybe. But I was concerned, I didn't want one with a plastic zipper. You know, I'm sure they would fix it if something went wrong or it broke or anything like that, but I just do prefer a metal zipper. So that's just what I prefer. Now, number two, I've actually had it for a while. I just didn't unbox it and didn't use it and didn't open it. But it is the Louis Vuitton reverse card holder. Isn't she cute? I really bought it because it was reverse. I really didn't need this one because I didn't need it, but I just wanted it. That's just what it is. And oh, just a little card on the inside, and here is the item number if you're interested in getting it. Does that come up for you? Okay, well, I'm sure your SA knows because everybody and their mother seems to have one. And then my third option, number 3, girl, Chi Chi Lux got me again. There we go. I got it in blue. My SA is freaking awesome. She can find a needle in a haystack because these were out and these were out, and she found both for me. She's awesome. Perfect zipper. Smells great. And I don't see anything wrong with it. I love it. It's great. I've already got the orange one and I unboxed it a while back. But yeah, I thought it was super cute, and basically Chi Lux twisted my arm, guys, and that's pretty much that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. So thanks for sticking around and watching my unboxing. I hope you have an amazing week. Oh, and let me finish up my Coach story. If you saw my video, my random unboxing video, I had bought a burgundy crossbody Coach purse. I got it. I thought it was, when I saw it online, I thought it was super cute, and I even bought a bag charm to go with it. And when I opened it, there was a white stain on the luggage tag, and I thought, you know, I actually throw that in the trash, or I throw it in a drawer anyway, so I probably wouldn't use it, so I was just going to keep it. And something said, what is that white mark on the bag? And then when I touched it, it seemed, I could tell that bag was either a display, you know, a floor display, or used. That, I don't think it was used because it had so much wrapping on it, but I think it was a floor display because, or it's just defective because there was a scratch in the leather. So, you know, that definitely made it a no stay with me. And what made me basically return it and not just exchange it was they were out. I called the 800 number. The lady said they were out. And I said, well, do you have it in store? She says, no, it's not in your local store. I said, okay, well, is it in a store and they can just ship it to me directly from a store on the mainland? So she looks and looks, and she said, New York has 2. And I said, okay, can you make sure they're willing to ship it to me here? And unfortunately, the New York stores would not ship it to Hawaii. They said any place on the mainland, they would have obliged me, but they refused to do it. So basically I returned it for a refund. I'm sure they'll just credit back my card or something. But that's the end of my Coach story. So thanks again for your time. Please like, subscribe, and push the bell notifications. Appreciate your time. Mahalo.